We are at Lower Skilak Lake right now. This is a legit camp spot. We have never, at least I've never been here. This is pretty sweet. We're right on the water. And this view, there's not many people here right now, and I don't know if it's because it's, you know, not peak season, but it is gorgeous out here. And look how that, like, look at that. How close we are to this water. This is our view waking up in the morning. Carly's still in the tent taking refuge, even though it stopped raining, but at least she's out with us in May. Oh, and this is, I got this paper towel holder trick from Brad over at Trail Recon and Marco, Overlander X. That is freaking dope. And one of the reasons why I really like the Smitty built, kind of serves as a little rain shader, because I fail and I forgot a tarp. So we have nothing to protect ourselves from the rain. Alright, so tonight, guys, we are making some reindeer sausage with some caramelized onions. So we are now caramelizing. We're now caramelizing these onions for the reindeer dogs. Oh yeah. So what you do is you want to cut the onions up. I usually like doing the smaller cut onions because it's easier to spread over your dog instead of, you know, the circles and stuff. And then you cook them for about 5 minutes, medium heat, until they get pretty caramelized. And then the last thing you want to do is you want to add some Dr. Pepper. This actually
deglazes the pan.
Deglazes the pan.
You want to start with butter, though. Start with butter when you're sauteing your onions.
So I only brought canola oil, so yeah. So with our reindeer dogs, we're also gonna do, we're gonna try out some tempura udon soup. Because why not? It's a little cold out, so, you know, why not? Some warms the soul. Real. Butter, sit. Down.
Good.
Try it again. Do it again.
Worth it. Just don't pass out into the fire.
Do it again. trying something out. So this stuff's a little bit strong if you use the whole packet. So we also got some of this stuff, which is pretty good, but when you do the full 8 ounces, it's kind of like, it's pretty sweet. So I did half of this and then the full packet of this, and we're seeing how that goes right now. Experimenting with different Starbucks Insta coffees. Alright guys, the verdict is in. Mixing the white chocolate mocha and the Insta coffee, half a packet of the Insta coffee from Starbucks is delicious. Like that. What do you think, babe? Out of 10?
8.
8? Not bad for camping coffee. I also cannot get over this view we have this morning here. This is probably one of the coolest campgrounds I think we've ever been, and it's super quiet here. I mean, it's been awesome. Good dog. Put her.